If you want to export presets in Lightroom on desktop, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in just a minute. Whether you're backing up your favorite edits, moving presets to another computer, or sharing them with someone else, exporting them is simple once you know where to click. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. First, open Adobe Lightroom on your desktop and make sure you're in the Develop area where your presets are available. On the left side, find the Presets panel. This is where all of your saved presets are stored, including custom looks and downloaded presets you've added to Lightroom. Now, scroll through the list and locate the preset you want to export. If you have several presets, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one. Once you've found it, right-click directly on the preset name. A menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click Export Preset. Lightroom will then let you save that preset as a file on your computer. This is the step that creates the export version of your preset, so you can keep a backup or transfer it to another Lightroom setup. When prompted, choose where you want to save the file. Lightroom exports presets as an XMP file, so you'll see the file type saved with the .xmp extension. You can name it anything you want, then click Save to finish, and that's it. Your Lightroom preset is now exported and ready to use wherever you need it. You can repeat the same process for any other preset you want to back up or move. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Lightroom tips and tutorials.